Hello, and welcome to the third Public Information Center for the Durham-Scarborough Bus Rapid Transit Environmental Assessment Project. This video will review the technically preferred design for the City of Toronto from Grangeway Avenue to the Toronto-Pickering border along Ellesmere Road and Kingston Road. The preliminary design shows how dedicated transit lanes may be implemented along Ellesmere Road and Kingston Road. This video will highlight the elements of the preliminary design, including walking and cycling infrastructure. The design drawings include a legend in the bottom left corner that shows the coloring and shading style for each element of the design. Design elements include red bus lanes, blue transit platforms, gray sidewalks, and green cycling infrastructure. The proposed curb location is shown with two solid yellow lines. Existing property boundaries are shown with a dashed purple line. All transit platforms in Toronto are proposed to be at signalized intersections. Most platforms are adjacent to the center running bus lanes. Platforms are generally located at the far side of the intersection, which is a space-efficient design that also improves transit operations. The platforms are located at signalized intersections to provide a protected pedestrian crossing. The platforms will include a shelter to provide weather protection for transit riders. Starting at Grangeway Avenue, dedicated bus lanes are developed along Ellesmere Road while maintaining 4 lanes of general traffic. From Grangeway Avenue to east of Morningside Avenue, the preliminary design proposes 2 general traffic lanes in each direction and 2 center median bus lanes for a total of 6 lanes. Cycle tracks and sidewalks will be implemented on both sides of the road as far east as Scarborough Golf Club Road. At Scarborough Golf Club Road, the cycle track transitions to a multi-use pathway and will connect to the Meadowway Trail and continue to Morningside Avenue. Note that the multi-use pathways and cycle tracks are located behind the curb and raised to the same height as the sidewalk. To increase safety for buses and cars, a raised median is proposed on either side of the bus lanes. This requires all unsignalized side streets and driveways to change to right-in, right-out access only. To support changing travel patterns, signalized intersections will have a dedicated left turn lane. U-turns and left turns can be made from the dedicated left turn lane during a protected left turn signal phase, while all other traffic at the intersection has a red light. This operation supports safer traffic movements. Between Morningside Avenue and Military Trail, buses will transition to the curb lanes, maintaining 4 lanes for general traffic. This design will accommodate the future Eglinton East Light Rail Transit project. The buses will operate in mixed traffic and serve curbside stops at Military Trail. The corridor between Military Trail and Kingston Road is what we consider as a pinch point area where constraints have been identified. From Military Trail to Meadowvale Road, dedicated bus lanes are developed while maintaining 4 lanes for general traffic. East of Meadowvale Road, the preliminary design proposes 1 general traffic lane in each direction and 2 center median bus lanes for a total of 4 lanes. A new signal is proposed at Muirbank Boulevard to facilitate left turn and U-turn movements as well as pedestrian crossings. From Military Trail to Meadowvale Road, dedicated bus lanes are developed while maintaining 4 lanes for general traffic. East of Meadowvale Road, the preliminary design proposes 1 general traffic lane in each direction and 2 center median bus lanes for a total of 4 lanes. A new signal is proposed at Muirbank Boulevard to facilitate left turn and U-turn movements as well as pedestrian crossings. Please note that other interim design solutions are being developed for the pinch point area with the City of Toronto staff and may be implemented in advance of the ultimate design. The design of Kingston Road between Ellesmere Road and Port Union Road is being developed in consultation with the Ministry of Transportation. This project does not propose any changes to the bridge over the Rouge River Valley. Throughout the design, existing bridges and culverts are indicated with a solid brown line, and proposed bridges and culvert extensions are indicated with a dashed orange line. Thank you for your interest in the Durham-Scarborough Bus Rapid Transit project. You can now review the design plans at your convenience. Please fill out the survey to let us know your thoughts on the technically preferred preliminary design for the City of Toronto.